On November of 2022, we flew to Naples. The first day, we visited the Prof. Aguri Institute. We attended classes, we shared experiences with teachers and students. We could see facilities with cultivation areas and fruit trees. They were working in a project for the recovery of old apple varieties. We also visited the CREA of Research Center on Horticulture and Ornamental Plants. There, the researchers gave us explanations of the different axes of research and research projects. We finished this job shadowing with a visit to Legambiente, where our students carry out internship in companies. We cannot forget Italian cuisine and its specialties. It was the opportunity to meet our students and enjoy spectacular places. Unfortunately, our stay ended so quickly